This will be helped by every users. Hi, this is Digital Rakesh YouTube channel. Who are watching first time, careful watch the every video. And anyone comment my channel. If I'm forgetting to re-comment or I'm missing your question to answer, please re-comment me. I definitely will be sorted your issues. So major question, every Instagram, even me also will be facing that one. So uploading for long videos. So there is a no title will be there. People cannot understand. This also will be the long images. But I can upload long video with a proper title. Suppose I'll create one video, nothing but I'm not created, just a video and publish on my Instagram. Simple. Where I'm selecting video will first of all. So select by the date wise, what are this? Click. So this is my video. Video is uploaded by my channel carefully. I'll go to the option. What will happen? They can click here. I'm unable to add the title. So that is the purpose. There is a simple solution. Go to social media. Select the poster size will be here. Instagram story size 1080 by 1920 pixel. Select this particular one. What are the your background or anything? Select by the one image here. That is the very look into images. Okay, here. Simple. In a place, add my keyword. Just one image you can design, leave it. More images are not required. Just one image you can design and keep it on one side. So increase this particular option. So add it here. We can add your like, share, subscribe icon where it is you can create it first of all. That icon you can select it will be properly important. So photo is not that. Download this image. After this image, select from the photo, download it. Next, in this, after this, we can add it will be social media content with the hashtags. So compulsory important. Any people we can design any kind of options. The Instagram link will be not work. The only one and only work will be here. Content with your hashtag option. Click here and click for share. There is a video will be shared here. See this. Long videos will be shared on your Twitter option or Instagram. But Instagram will be what are the those you can select will be here. Image will be see to the particular audience how to promote your business on Facebook with the WhatsApp business. So easily people can watch here. Then click this option. they can see the particular video. They easily will be understand each and every video with a proper title. So that is the title will be kept on middle and use the some design will be here. We can utilize that particular design and create the proper custom thumbnail option and promote your long videos on Instagram also. Don't forget, this is a very important. People cannot understanding this kind of situations. The Instagram will be help this particular thumbnails. If any more about the Instagram marketing, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.